Did you know your brain can get a refresh in just 10 minutes? What's up? Hey, I'm about to drop a fact that's gonna blow your mind. Did you know NASA found that a nap, just 26 minutes long, can boost their pilots' performance by 34%? And their alertness by 54%? That's wild. It's 2 in the afternoon, you've just eaten, and suddenly you feel your eyelids getting heavy. The letters on your computer start to dance around. Your focus just takes a vacation without telling you. It's that super famous food coma that hits all of us. It's a signal your body is sending you, almost a cry for help from your brain asking for a break. We just grab another coffee. I'm talking about a specific technique, a powerful and well-timed nap. That, if you do it right, can totally double your focus. So, get comfy. We're about to recharge our brains like pros. Unpacking the power nap. Think of it like a snack for your brain. Just like you eat a piece of fruit to hold you over until your next meal, a power nap is a little bite of sleep you give your mind to recharge and keep going strong. The first 2 stages are light sleep, and that's where the magic of a short nap happens. Your heart rate slows down, your breathing gets slower, your muscles relax. Your brain uses this time to clean up, like sweeping away the toxins that build up while we're awake and working hard. One of those toxins is called adenosine, and that's what makes us feel sleepy. A short nap helps lower adenosine levels, and that's why when you wake up, you feel fresh and alert, like you've restarted your internal operating system without fully shutting down the computer. Has it ever happened to you that you take a long nap and wake up feeling more tired, disoriented, and grumpy? That's called sleep inertia. So, in short, a power nap is an intentionally short nap, lasting between 10 and 20 minutes, designed to keep you in the light stages of sleep. Think of it like a pit stop in Formula One racing. Quick, precise, and gets you back on track ready to win. The master clock. How long and when to take the perfect nap? How long exactly? And at what time? Here, science is super clear and gives us an amazing guide. The ideal length, 10 to 20 minutes. It's that simple. During this time, you stay in the light sleep stages. You wake up feeling refreshed, alert, and without that heavy feeling. 30 minutes, for example, already puts you at risk of entering deeper sleep. That's why many people, when they wake up from a half-hour nap, feel that sleep inertia. Now, 60 minutes is different. It allows you to enter slow-wave sleep. That's great for improving memory of facts and faces. Finally, 90 minutes allows you to complete a full sleep cycle. This includes the REM phase, where we dream. The perfect time is generally between 1 in the afternoon and 3 in the afternoon. This has to do with our circadian rhythm, that internal biological clock. Naturally, we all experience a small dip about 7 or 8 hours after waking up. For most people, this coincides right after lunchtime. So the golden rule is a short nap, 10 to 20 minutes, and in the window after eating. The temple of rest, your ritual for a successful nap. Okay, so we've got the theory down. Now let's get to the practice. You gotta create a little ritual, set up your own temple of rest, so those 15 minutes are actually super effective. Think of this like getting ready for a super important mission, the mission to recharge your brain. First things first, find the right spot. A comfy armchair in a quiet corner of your house, the reclined seat of your car in the parking lot, or even a comfy chair in an empty office. The main thing is that it's a place where no one's gonna bother you. Once you've got the spot, the next step is to control the vibe. Our brains love darkness and quiet to really switch off, even if it's just for a little bit. So if you can pull down the blinds or turn off the lights, if that's not possible, a sleep mask is your best friend. Seriously, it makes a huge difference. For noise, some earplugs, some headphones with white noise, or headphones with nature sounds can work wonders to block out the outside world. And one more detail, make sure the temperature is cool and comfy. And please, the most important thing, put your phone on silent or do not disturb. No notifications. Now the alarm. This is a crucial step, don't skip it. Give yourself a few extra minutes so you have time to get comfy and relax before you actually fall asleep. Finally, once you're in your spot, with the vibe set and the alarm on, focus on your posture and your breathing.
Subscribe to our channel for more new ideas and education. Hit the like button on this video and share your thoughts in the comments.
The turbo nap, the coffee trick that changes everything. I'm going to share a trick with you that sounds crazy, but it's backed by science and it's a real gem. It's called the coffee nap, caffeine nap. I know what you're thinking. Coffee before sleep? Yordi, you've gone nuts. But hold on. Let me explain how this amazing thing works, because it's like putting a turbo engine on your rest. You drink a cup of coffee or any caffeinated drink quickly, right before you lie down for your 20-minute nap. The result is that you wake up with a double dose of energy. As I told you before, adenosine is the substance that builds up in our brain and makes us feel tired. On the other hand, caffeine works by blocking adenosine receptors. It's like putting a cap on the plugs where adenosine connects. The key point is that it takes caffeine about 20 to 25 minutes to reach its maximum power in the brain. The timing is perfect. While you sleep, your brain starts to naturally clear out the adenosine. Just as you're about to wake up, boom, the caffeine arrives at the party, and get ready to wake up feeling like a superhero. Lark or owl, fitting naps to your life's rhythm. One of the coolest things about the human body is that we're all different. Each of us has our own internal rhythm, our own chronotype. You've probably heard about this. There are the larks. Larks, they wake up with the sun, full of energy in the morning. By night, they're totally wiped out. And then there are the owls. Owls, they struggle to get going in the morning. At night, they're at their best, super creative and productive. If you're a lark, your energy dip hits earlier in the afternoon. You wake up super early. By 1 in the afternoon, you'll already feel the need for a break. A nap right after lunch, around 1 or 1:30, will be perfect. On the other hand, if you're an owl, your rhythm is different. You probably have a hard time getting up. Your energy peak comes later. Your post-lunch slump might show up around 2:30 or even 3 in the afternoon. The important thing, listen to your body. The perfect nap adapts to you, your biology, and your routine. The myths of napping, it's not for lazy people, it's for geniuses. For some reason, especially in our culture that's so focused on being busy all the time, for lazy people, for kids, for old folks, nothing could be further from the truth. Think about the great minds in history: Albert Einstein, Leonardo, Da Vinci, Winston Churchill. Do you really think they were lazy? Not at all. They instinctively understood that a short break to recharge their brains allowed them to be more creative, solve complex problems, and maintain peak mental performance for longer hours. Today, cutting-edge companies like Google or NASA not only allow, but encourage naps among their employees, even installing nap pods. They do it because they know a rested employee is a more productive employee, more creative, and happier. The truth is, napping isn't a sign of weakness, but of intelligence. You're actually neurohacking when napping doesn't work. Alternatives and warning signs. It's important to be realistic. Even though napping is a wonderful tool, it might not be for everyone. What happens if you lie down for your power nap and just can't fall asleep? You lie there with your eyes closed, but your mind is still going a mile a minute, thinking about all the things you need to do. Don't stress out. Instead of getting frustrated, use that time for non-sleep, deep rest, NSDR. Stay still with your eyes closed and focus on your breathing. Now pay attention to warning signs. Sleep inertia. That heavy, confused feeling if you nap for too long. Try naps that are only 10 minutes long. Be careful if you have chronic insomnia. In those cases, talk to a specialist. Safety warning. Never try to drive if you're super sleepy. Drowsy driving is just as dangerous as drunk driving. Don't take chances. Pull over in a safe spot. Listening to your body isn't an option, it's a responsibility. Your 7-day brain refresh plan. Alright, after all this talk, I really hope you guys are convinced to give napping a shot. Talking is easy, but the real magic happens when you actually do it. So I'm gonna challenge you. A 7-day plan. It's a personal experiment, no pressure. Just see how your body and mind react. Are you in? 7 days, 1 short nap daily, 15 minutes. Try to do it preferably between 1 and 3 in the afternoon. My 7-day nap challenge. Each day, right before your nap, rate your energy and focus, 1, 10. After the nap, rate your energy and focus again, 1, 10. Also, jot down anything else you notice. At the end of the week, take a moment to look over your notes. Chances are, you'll be pretty surprised by the results. So what are you waiting for? The challenge starts today. Find a quiet spot, set your...
Subscribe to our channel for more new ideas and education. Hit the like button on this video and share your thoughts in the comments. Which skill connects most with your teaching? Which one seems hardest to develop? Your ideas and questions help build our learning community and inspire what we'll cover next. Together, we can change education, one teacher, one classroom, one student at a time. The future of learning is in our hands.